Chatgpt, developed by OpenAI, is known for its versatility in conversational AI, producing human-like responses across a broad range of topics. Its underlying architecture, the GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer model, including versions like GPT-3.5 and GPT-4, enables it to excel in general conversations, creative writing, brainstorming, customer support, and content generation. This makes Chatgpt highly effective for generating natural, human-like text and managing open-ended conversations, although it comes with a higher cost due to extensive training and infrastructure requirements. On the other hand, DeepSeek, developed by DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Co., Limited, leverages mixture of experts Mo systems to offer a more specialized approach. It excels in complex queries and deep data analysis, making it ideal for enterprise applications in finance, healthcare, logistics, and research-heavy tasks. DeepSeek's strength lies in its ability to provide structured, data-driven responses with high accuracy in specialized domains, and it is more affordable due to its efficient training process and open-source nature. In essence, while Chatgpt is versatile and handles a wide range of topics with a conversational tone, DeepSeek is specialized, focusing on specific domains and providing structured, data-driven responses, use cases, and requirements, such as the need for versatility versus specialization and the preference for conversational interactions versus data-driven accuracy. The cost efficiency of DeepSeek also makes it an attractive option for professional applications.